अथ वेदपाठः सामवेदसंहितायां पूर्वार्चिकः अथ आग्नेयं काण्डम् अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः प्रथमप्रपाठकस्य प्रथमोऽर्धः प्रथमादशतिः। ॐ नमस्ते अग्न ओजसे गृह्णन्ति देवकृष्टयः अमैरमित्रमर्दय।
Salutations to you, Agni, refulgent Lord of the generosity. The people too adore and exalt you. Pray, ward off, and throw out the enemies and unfriendly forces by your laws and powers.
ॐ दूतं वो विश्ववेदसं हव्यवाहममर्त्यं यजिष्ठमृञ्जसे गिरा।
O scholar and master of the science of fire and energy, with your words and thought you study and develop the power of Agni, carrier of communications, all-round operative in the universe, bearer of food and fragrance, imperishable and most creative, productive, cooperative and valuable catalytic agent of the natural and human world. O men and women of the world, the scientist develops it for you all.
ओमुपत्वाजामयो गिरो देदिशतीर्हविष्कृतः वायोरनीके अस्थिरन्।
Moving and vibrant adorations of the enlightened celebrant reach you and stay by you in the movements of air in the middle regions.
ॐ उपत्वाग्ने दिवे दिवे दोषावस्तर्धिया वयं नमो भरन्त एमसे।
Agni, Lord omniscient, day by day, night and day, with all our heart and soul, we come to you bearing gifts of homage in faith and humility.
ॐ जराबोध तद्विविद्धि विषे विषे यज्ञाय स्तोमं रुद्राय दृशीकम्।
Hero of high knowledge and wide fame, create and provide for every people and offer to adorable Yajnik Rudra, brilliant Lord of justice and power, that wealth, honor and celebration which is magnificent and worthy of praise.
ॐ प्रतित्यं चारुमध्वरं गोपीठाय प्रहूयसे मरुद्भिरग्न आगहे।
Agni, fire energy of nature, come with the winds, you are invoked and kindled for the preservation and promotion of the beautiful holy yajna of the earth for her children.
ॐ अश्वं नत्वा वारवन्तं वन्दद्ध्या अग्निं नमोभिः सम्राजन्तमध्वराणाम्।
Agni, brilliant and illuminating power and presence of yajnas from the homely Agni Hotra to the highest programs of humanity, like a tempestuous horse of flying hair, we praise you and celebrate you with homage and offerings of food and oblations.
ॐ और्वभृगुवच्छुचिमप्नवा नवदाहुवे अग्निं समुद्रवाससम्।
Like a mature and self-disciplined sage and scholar of nature and spirit, I invoke and study Agni, the fire energy, concealed in the sea and the sky, and the psychic energy abiding in the mind.
ॐ अग्निमिन्धानो मनसा धियं सचेतमर्त्यः अग्निमिन्धे विवस्वभिः।
When the mortal starts lighting the fire in the Vedi, let him, with his whole mind in concentration, call up all his faculties of perception, thought and action, and say, I light the fire with the sun rays, and all my knowledge, will and awareness awaken the divine in the soul.
ॐ आदिप्रत्नस्य रेतसो ज्योतिः पश्यन्ति वासरं परो यदिध्यते दिवि.
And then the devotees see like the day light the self-refulgence of the eternal Lord and source of life, who shines above and beyond the day through the night of annihilation too.
नादत्ते कस्यचित् पापम् न चैव सुकृतम् विभुः अज्ञानेनावृतम् ज्ञानम् तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः.
The omnipresent God does not partake the virtue or sin of anyone. Knowledge is enveloped by ignorance. Hence, it is that beings are constantly falling a prey to delusion.
ॐ सनः पितेव सूनवेग्ने सूपायनो भव सचस्वानः स्वस्तये.
हे ज्ञान स्वरूप ईश्वर, जिस प्रकार पिता पुत्र का सुंदर उपभोग के साधन देकर उसका कल्याण करता है, उसी प्रकार आप हमें सुंदर साधनों से युक्त कीजिए, जिससे हम आपके दिए पदार्थों से कल्याण को प्राप्त करें.
ॐ सनः पितेव सूनवेग्ने सूपायनो भव सचस्वानः स्वस्तये.
O God, the embodiment of knowledge, provide us with good means of enjoyment in the same way as a father provides good means to his son for his welfare, so that we may attain our welfare through the objects given by you.